Welcome to Tech Leveler, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to turn off the notification when left behind feature on your iPhone. Now it's a great feature if you're someone who is always leaving their iPhone, however it can become quite annoying. So what you want to do is click on the Find My App application or use the search feature to select Find My App. And now with Find My App up, you'll see here at the bottom all your Apple devices, and at the top you'll see where all your Apple devices are currently located. So let's say you want to turn it off on one specific device. You want to click on that here in the devices list. So now we've clicked on one of the devices. What you want to do is you want to swipe upwards. Now it's been brought up. And as you can see here, notifications. And as you can see here in notifications when left behind. It's currently off. You want to tab into that if yours says on. And as you can see here at the top, notifications when left behind, again, is tabbed out grey. If yours is green, this means it will notify you when it's left behind, so you want to tab this off. But something you may want to add is different locations here at the bottom. So you may want to add your home, your office, for instance. Then it won't notify you when it's left behind at these specific places, but will notify you if you leave it, for instance, at a bar. So that's how to turn off your notifications when left behind. I hope you found that video helpful. If you did, smash the like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.